Imagine waking up to money in your account without working a 9 to 5 job. Sounds amazing, right? Today, I'll share 5 passive income ideas that can help you earn daily with little to no effort. Let's get started. Method 1. Renting tech gadgets. Do you have a camera, gaming console, or VR headset sitting idle? Rent them out and earn $5, $50 per day. Websites like ShareGrid and Bragpacker let you list your gadgets and connect with renters. Pro tip: keeping your items in good condition increases demand. Method 2. Selling digital products. Create and sell ebooks, stock photos, templates, or online courses, products that require one-time effort but sell forever. You can sell on Gumroad, Etsy, or Udemy, earning anywhere from $10 to $500 per sale. Pro tip: digital products solving real problems sell the best. Method 3. Faceless YouTube channels. You don't need to be on camera to make money on YouTube. Faceless YouTube channels earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Channels in finance, tech, and motivation can generate $5, $500 per day, depending on growth. Use tools like Canva and AI voiceovers to create videos faster. Pro tip: consistency is key. Upload regularly for faster results. Method 4. Renting digital assets. Websites and domain names are like digital real estate. Businesses pay to use them. If you own a website with traffic, rent it out and earn $100, $500 per month. You can also lease domain names on platforms like Sedo and GoDaddy for extra income. Pro tip: even a small website with steady visitors can make money. Method 5. Dividend stocks and ETFs. Investing in dividend stocks and ETFs lets you earn passive income while your money grows. Companies pay you dividends for holding their stock, generating $5, $50 per day based on investment size. Platforms like Robinhood and Zerodha make investing easy. Pro tip: reinvest dividends to compound your earnings. Which method are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more passive income ideas.